Evening, everybody. My last two videos, I cleaned this pot up and re-seasoned it. Now we're going to cook in it. Bring y'all along. Be making some pork gravy and mashed potatoes. Alright, we'll brown this pork down. Put some seasoning in there. Look at that seasoning in there, boy. Garlic. Onion powder. A bit of Worcestershire sauce. Like a little bit of that soy sauce. Put down in there a little bit with that. All this on the bottom of this pot, that's what's going to make our gravy. We're not going to make no roux today. We're going to make a smothered down gravy with this pork meat, onion, bell pepper, green onion, and garlic. Take these chicken bouillon cubes. I'm going to crush them up and put them in a cup of water so I can add later. Look at that color in that pot. Boy, that look good. Smell good too. Alright, I'm going to start taking this meat out. A little butter in the bottom of that pot. Butter, onion, bell pepper, and green onions going in. And get it all out of there. Gonna clean the bottom of this pot. Start making that gravy. A few cloves of garlic, minced up. Smother it down a little bit, and I'm going to add that meat back in here. All this is going to make its own gravy. Y'all, this is green onion powder my wife made. Y'all want to learn how to make that? Check out the Graceful Acre Homestead. That stuff good, y'all. Fresh out the garden. Tablespoon of that in there. fresh green onion powder. Alright, we're going to add this back in there. Get all that flavor back in there. One more ingredient, can of cream of mushroom soup going in. It's going to make some good gravy to put on some mashed potatoes. Add the rest of my water. Remember them bouillon cubes? Put that in there. Listen. Alright, I'm going to let that cook down for a couple hours. Get back with y'all later. Alright y'all, I'm back. And this is about done. That's cooking in a black iron pot after re-seasoned, cleaned up, re-seasoned. And after you finish, wash it out with some water, salt, however you prefer to clean it. Heat it back up, make sure all the moisture's out of it, and wipe it down with some lard or Crisco or something. Coconut oil, whatever oil you prefer. Cook it in a freshly restored black iron pot. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have any comments? I would like to hear from y'all. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have any other info, something y'all might want to see, just let me know in the comments. Thank you and have a blessed day.